How to make a simple welding machine. It's very easy and useful. First, you need a battery. Cut off the top cover of the battery with a knife. Insert the battery into the drill chuck. Turn on the drill. Use a hacksaw to make a cut on the edge of the battery. Use a knife to remove the cut edge. Remove the graphite rod from the battery. Insert the rod into the drill chuck. Turn on the drill and sharpen the graphite rod. Now you need a piece of wood. This will be the handle of the welder. Drill a hole through the entire length of the piece of wood. Insert a copper tube into the drilled hole. The inner diameter of the tube should match the diameter of the graphite rod, and the outer diameter should match the diameter of the hole in the wooden block. Bend the tube at an angle of approximately 45 degrees. Remove the contacts from the electrical plug and insert them into the tube on both sides. Use pliers to securely fix the contacts in place. Insert the prepared graphite rod into one of the contacts and secure it with bolts. Now you will need an old laptop adapter. Use an electrical wire to connect the contacts on the handle and the adapter. Connect another electrical wire to the adapter contact and insulate it. Your homemade, simple mini welding machine is ready. Connect the adapter plug to the electrical network. Connect the free contact to the welding site. By touching the graphite rod to the desired location, you can weld small metal objects at home. This cheap battery welder will be very useful when you need to weld something. With its help, you can easily do it.